Here's how to ready your carbon monoxide alarm for installation. Open the box, and inside you'll find your manual and your carbon monoxide alarm. Take it out of the bag, turn it over, and you'll see the mounting plate. Slide the alarm up off the plate, and you'll see the battery compartment inside. Slide it back down onto the plate, which is what you will be installing on the wall. You can install it over an existing single-gang box if you wish, or you can screw it directly into the sheetrock or use adhesive pads. You will want to make sure this plate is installed near the ground level, as low as you can get it, because carbon monoxide is heavier than air. After you have affixed the mounting plate to the wall, either with screws or adhesive, you'll take your carbon monoxide alarm and slide it on from the top, like so.